decided to write a letter to improve this park because it was very bad looking. Stuff was starting to rust out. The hoops were starting to come apart. Slides had holes in them, and it was just looking very bad, and I just wanted to make it a better place for the kids. I live here in Sandusky. I'm emailing you about the remodeling of Orlando Pace Park. I think it would be nice if you guys could make the park look a little better and safer for the children like me and the kids who live in that area. There are only a few things that I would suggest that need to be fixed. For example, me and the other kids would like a new basketball court, new hoops, like the ones at Farwell and Scott May parks, along with some other things like the slides, the teeter-totters, and the whole playground area. You can contact me at this email. That'll be all for now. Thank you. I would just like to say thank you for everyone's support and understanding that it's good to have a good, nice park fixed up in honor for Orlando Pace, and I just can't wait to see it open.
Thank you, Atai. Congratulations again.
And I want to introduce